So hello everyone. So welcome to the continuation of our previous lesson. Um, Now what we are going to do is, as I said, we are just going to be working with the text, and then we'll do some simple shapes too. Okay. So this is what we are trying to do. We are just trying to populate the screens with the email and the email address, and then we'll do something on this, and then we'll try and add the Telegram and WhatsApp icons. Okay. So let's proceed. So I am going to multi-select this. Okay, so let me check first. Email and phone number. So let me just multi-select. Okay, then Control C, Control V. So, and then I'll use the down arrow key with the help of the Shift key to move this. Okay. So I think this distance is quite okay. Okay, the gap is quite okay. I'm going to take this out. Let me see. So while holding on Alt, I'm going to check the distance. So it's 15. So 15. Okay. So the distance from the mobile to this text is 15, and I'm going to change this to email. Email. Okay. Then I'll give it a dummy email. So a dummy email. So let me just use GTL. Ghana Tech Lab. .com. Okay. And then I'll have to change the icon. So let me just take this out. Then I'm going to bring this here. Remember the size here is 36 by 36. Okay, so for consistency sake, I'm going to change this to 36. So I can just resize it here, or so I can just input the values here. So 36. Change here to also 36. Okay. Then I'm going to align it just so it aligns with this. Okay, so let's make it touch it. Okay, so it's well aligned. And then what else to do is to, let me see the gap here. This one is 22, ours is 15. Now we have the groups uniference. Okay, so let me just increase the distance a bit. So just by some. Okay, now let me check the distance between them. Okay, so 19. Okay, so let's use 19. Now we need that of the groups. Okay, so just this Control C, Control V. Then let's see, 26. So here is 19. So let me check here too. 26. So let me move it up. Should be 19. Okay, so 19. So while holding on Alt, I use the up arrow key to move it up. Okay, so that I could see the changes as it's I move. Okay, we don't need this, so I'll delete this, and then I would check here. So we have uniframes. Okay, so with the uniframes, sorry, we need this. So I'm just going to change. Really, let me check. See, so it's called groups uniframes. So groups. So groups. And then here is uniframes. Uni friends, or let's do it UI friends. UI friends. Okay. And then okay. So now let's do that of this. Okay. Account linked. So I'm going to do this shape and then account link. As usual, we'll use the rectangle tool, and then I'm going to draw from this end. Okay. And this size is okay. So I'm using 48 by 50. Okay. Let's see the distance. Okay, so you just close. So I'm going to take it up. So 19 is okay. So I'll leave it at 19. Okay, for consistency's sake. And then I'm going to change it to white. Okay. And now we need to give it the text account linked. But remember, there's a drop shadow, but this shadow is actually a line. So it's a line. What you can do is just Control C this line. Okay, the line that we have here. Okay, so let me just zoom in and then click, then Control C, Control V, and then use the down arrow key to move it down. Okay, so while holding on Shift, I'm going to make it move down faster. Okay, let me zoom in to see if it's perfectly at the position I want. Okay, so I think it's there. Okay, so okay, so now I'm going to just select this, Control C, Control V, and then bring it down, and then change its name. Remember, since I picked it first, I have to bring it to front. So bring to front. So right click and bring to front, and then I'll change it to accounts linked. Is it linked accounts or accounts linked? Linked. Let's check. So it's accounts linked. Okay. So accounts linked. So the L is caps. Okay. Then let me just try and center it. So okay. So it's centered. Okay. So it's centered. Okay, and really, let me bring it out. Okay, and now we have to do that of the Telegram, WhatsApp, and then the icons. So account linked. Let me see. So they seem to be. So text size is 16, normal. I'm going to change mine to, here's 20. Let me see, this is 20. This also is 20. Okay, so let's leave this to 20. And now we have to do that of the Telegram and then WhatsApp. So Telegram, WhatsApp. So let's take this text, Control C, Control V. I'm going to bring it down. So while holding on Alt, let me check, see the distance.